Hello ladies and gentlemen, Rapid Chess here, and I'm showing you another quite interesting endgame study. So what's going on here? Black has pawn on h2, which is almost impossible to stop if black helps a lot. And king is kind of near the pawn, so if you like try to defend it with bishop to d7, king can go to b8 and take the c7 square protected. So moves like king to a6 doesn't make a lot of sense because we just capture this pawn and promote. So the only logical move is kind of saving the pawn is to play c7, which is the best move. And in this position, actually black has to be careful, because if they play something like bishop to g2 and saying that, okay, I queen first, but it appears that white wins with queen to c8. So they want to queen and they want to prevent white from queening. So they play bishop to b7, attacking the bishop and freeing the pawn place for h1 pawn. If white takes, then black just takes back and they take this pawn and they queen and they win very quickly. So let's make another move, something like bishop to g4. So black queens and white queens, and just they take it, and black has a winning position. So it doesn't work. So what do we do in this position? So this is the move of the game. The right move is actually only one, which makes a draw. It's bishop to f5. Bishop to f5. So we play this move, queening. White queens their queen. Black has to take. It's the only legal move. And this position, white makes a draw. So taking the bishop is not an option. So bishop to e4 check. If black takes the pawn, the bishop, then it's stalemate. White's king doesn't have anywhere to go. And if you play bishop to b7, which kind of is the best move, white takes, black takes, and it's a textbook draw, because white king will travel to a1, and these two pawns, double pawns on the a file, and bishop is it's light square bishop, and it's impossible just to win this game. I think pretty good endgame. All right, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.